So guys, I'm gonna help you make some medicine. Since somebody is cooking, here are the first ingredients. Here are the first ingredients. Like this. First. Oh no. Sorry, this is. Wait until this clears out. Now you open the water bottle. And then after that, you pull some lemonade out of the fridge. And then after that, you pull the lemonade out of the fridge. And when you dump it, and then after that mess, you got the next ingredient, blueberries. But first, before that, you gotta need a dinner plate, and then have some blueberries. These blueberries. And then after that, put the blueberries in the fridge. And then sour punch bites. Mind if I have something? Ooh, I'm finally doing it. And then you pour as much of these sour punch bites. And mind if I do something? Then you put them all in this lemonade. Put them all in this medicine. Oh really? So pull as much as you can. And then yeah. So this way you can pull as much. And then voila! It may not be the completed experience, but this can cure you from the cringe virus. Not an actual virus, so please like, comment, and subscribe. Taste test. How would this taste like? Very sour. Oh dear God. Remember kids, okay, if you have something that's sus, please parents, cure your kids with this. Oh.